Hello there, my fine gardening friends. How the devil are you? Well, I am sat here in the greenhouse, I think it's obvious, making some cardboard pots to sow my sweet peas in. It's a bit of a dreary day outside, dreary and rainy, so I'm lucky enough to be able to sit here in a nice comfortable position in my greenhouse, and I just thought I'd check in, have a chat, see what's going on. Like I said, I'm making these cardboard pots ready to put some. I've got some lovely scarlet sweet peas that I'm hoping to grow this year. I've got some other ones that I've already sown in little boxes over there, as you can see, and they're popping through already. Some of them are sweet peas and some are actual peas, I think. But here I am, just plodding along on a rainy evening. Luckily, well, hopefully not lucky. I thought it was more skill than that. But as you can see, my, what is that? Rocket and or arugula, as you call it here in North America. That's all coming up in the centre bed there, and I've got some spinach and some different lettuce there coming up. And you can also see my tomatoes potted on. The tomatoes is a set there that I planted a couple of weeks ago, and they're looking a little bit stronger than the ones I planted up the other day, but they're all coming along nicely. And the peppers are sort of growing very slowly at this time of year still, but they're still alive, even though I managed to fry a pot's worth there, unfortunately, the other day. It gets very warm in here now, even it's still April, you know, late April. But anyway, there we go. I thought I'd say hello, and I shall get on with my potting up now. What are you lot up to? What are the vegetables, the seeds that you're sowing this week? What have I got here anyway? So I've got these sweet peas. I've got these lovely sunflowers. What were they? Velvet Queen. As you can see in the picture, they are absolutely stunning come the summer. And I thought I'd sow some more broccoli, although I think I might sow that directly outside now, actually. See how that goes. Anyway, thought I'd say hello. Jobs are good.